Welcome back, folks, to Disciple of Morango. Yesterday, yesterday we did strings. Um, yeah, I'm gonna keep harping about it, but default strings, they just need more functions, like we're also gonna want some of this stuff, to bool, from bool, is bool, whatever. So today we do logging. And here we have log level, which should be in logger. So, we're gonna need a few things here. I gotta see we have types. I have some of this written down. We need O stream. We need time. Oh my. Is it time.h? I think the one I want is C time. And I think we need string stream as a part of this as well. Right. And then maybe then we just do something like, what are the levels, right? It's like info, debug, warning, error, and critical? Uh, But isn't because isn't it actually backwards? Right? Because Right, because then you do something like, because the higher you want your log level, right? And then we do like log trace or something, right? And then we do, as you go through, you only print to the, do you even need? Yeah. Mm, I guess that only works if you're using a macro. Yeah, I guess this really only works if you want to. Yeah, yeah. And then the big question is, do we do this as a class? And then do we define macros? Like, do we wrap everything in macros, or do we just? Because It's like there's this. Oh no. One, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah, this is gonna give me. It's going to give me the anger. So, maybe, I don't know if I want to do this as a class. I guess if I don't do this as a class, we can just do debug level. Um, is gonna equal. We'll just do like debug. Yeah, I don't think this needs to be an underscore. It can just be two log. Oh yeah, of course. Format it for me. Do whatever you want. Hmm. Oh, right. This is log level. Oh, why is this defining things? No, 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 no. So we will switch on level. Ayo. Do we? By default, you do info, I guess. Warning. Debug. Debug. Info and trace. Um. Why you no lack? Why you don't lack? Initial value referenced to non-constant must be an L value. I was muted. I muted myself. So, okay, right to log. Listen. So, here's the thing. It's like, do we include file line function or not? Because that can get a little bit much. However, if we do want to, we need to define like you know, because here you do something like file. You do file function line. Does this get bad? How bad does this get? And the reason we need two of these is because we need to get rid of the declaration or the defaulted arguments. Right, because in each one of these, what you do now is you go comma from. Why does it not like this? I wonder if there's a better way to do this. Hold the fuck on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Is C++ 20 coming through? Do we not need to define all of these horrible fucking preprocessor things? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. You have no idea how happy this makes me that I don't have to type all of this out and make this such a dumpster fire. Get the fuck out of here. Include source location. I gotta be real. I keep seeing all this stuff in C++ 20 for string view. What is a string view? We're just gonna look at this really quick because string view, because I have no idea what this is. Introduced in 17. Okay, I never used 17. Is a non-owning read-only. Oh. Oh, read-only is cool. It does not own the data that it views, meaning it does not manage memory of string references. Can only perform operations like handling, hashing, substring extractions. Oh. It avoids unnecessary copying and is more efficient than passing a const reference. Oh. This is interesting. Oh, all right. Well, so we do std source location equals source location current. Oh god, am I a bad person? Oh god, I misspelled this. Locatoin. Locatoin. Oh, locaton. It rubs the locatoin on its skin or else it gets the hose again. Oh, do I? God, it would almost be nice to make that a macro, so you just don't have to look at it all the time. It's kind of ugly. Uh, so this comes with file name, line, column. I think that's a bit much. And function name. So I personally think column is. I don't really give a shit about the column. I think that's. Fuck, this is stupid. But the rest of this. Okay, this is good. Uh. STD source location. Ooh, excuse me. So, do we add the column? No. Like, what does the column do? You know what I mean? It's what? It's just always going to return the same thing, right? Because you're always calling from the same column, right? Like when you call, logger, debug, and you do this. Like, is this not always going to just return what what column? Column 37? Is this not just always going to be character? I don't even care. So, okay, so what do we do? Do we do file colon function colon line like this? So we return like types.h, swap. That is kind of where it's nice to have the column. Or does it make more sense to kind of go like, types six? Hmm. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Sorry. Sorry, I'm just listening to Tucker Carlson and Victor Orban make fun of nobody wanting to invade France because it's just not even worth it. Do we do like location? Man, Victor Orban's the longest serving leader in Europe. That's crazy. So file, can you hold on? STD format. Can I name these? You know, like, can I add? Because I know you can number them. Uh, I was just looking for some of this. I don't like format. It is often mentioned that it is safe, while the old C-style printf is not. This, of course, with OStream. Second, I don't like it uses Python format strings. As old printf functions, it could have used some of the percentage-based string formatting. I, I guess if I wanted Python strings, I would use Python. And for formatting, why can't we just use the existing string manipulators? You know, I don't know. It's like, yeah, this guy, this guy gets it. You know, it's like you don't have to invent one way for every language. You know, and just because people did something one way 50 years ago is not an argument to continue doing it. I agree. You know, it's like, the thing I hate about that argument is that it's like just don't import it. Like you don't have to use format, right? I think it's way easier. I don't know why you would want to make your life harder for like no reason, right? Um, two colons, location, line, location column. Then we do location. Boop, 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 boop. I think that there is, no? No? What the fuck is this? What is this then? Great. Oh, there's a Rogan with Magnus Carlsen. That's interesting. I don't know. He's yeah. I don't know. What to watch? What to watch? Oh man, the last episode of Candace Owens' show about becoming Brigitte. The epilogue came out. Yeah, let's finish up episode 5, and then we'll get on to that. This is crazy shit. Like, listen, I know I shouldn't talk politics when I'm just sitting here making a video game, but you know what? Listen, I don't give a shit. Fuck off. Go watch somebody else. Isn't it wild that we live in a time where some crazy lady, some mad lady, who I think is fantastic. I don't really agree with Candace Owens that much, but I love her to bits. Is and you know she kind of did bring her receipts, but imagine if she's right. Imagine if the president of France married his pedophile father, who pretended to be a girl. Holy fucking shit! Could you imagine, bro? Bro. Like, it is insane to me. Like, when Macron was 14, Brigitte was 39. 25-year age difference. And apparently they might have started hooking up when he was like 13. Oh my God. You know, here's the thing. Even if Brigitte turns out to be a girl, in which case she would obviously not be Macron's father, even if that's true, that is a gnarly age difference. Like 25 years, 39 to 14. Bro, I don't even like talking to like 16-year-olds. They annoy the shit out of me. These little broccoli headed fucks. Not a big fan, generally speaking. There's some pretty base teenagers and youngins who are okay. But like, I'm 31 and I don't even like dealing with people who are like 20. And to be 39 porking a 14-year-old? Oh, Jesus. They need Jesus. Mind you, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We don't have to get into that. We'll leave Jesus out of this. But if you want to know some crazy stuff, go onto YouTube and look up Dr. Anam Hillman. Lady Babylon. It's the channel name. Anyway, we're not going to get into this. Because we got to write some stuff to text files. But, you know, again, I just want to say I'm so happy they finally came out with this. Because, man, making these, like, you know, file, I guess you can just do funk line. Making these, oh my God. Not the most enjoyable. Right? And then this is going to like grab it from the preprocessor and expand it to a C string. Yeah. Predefined dynamic macro. Yeah, and it can't open it. That's fine. I'm so happy they came out with this. You know, this also means that it's presumably cross-platform, which I don't care about because I don't know. God, I have to upgrade to Windows 11 later this year. I don't want to. I like Windows 10. I know a lot of people don't like it, but like I've never had problems with it. You know, it's always just kind of worked for me. And I've been using it since the beta. You know, I've been using Windows 10 for, oh my God, have I been using Windows 10 for 10 years? Has it been 10 years already? Jesus. But like, I've never had a serious problem that I couldn't, I've never had a real issue with it. Windows 11 just irritates the shit out of me. It doesn't feel like an upgrade. The terminal is worse, and the terminal also has a lot of like threading issues. I noticed this at work. Like the Windows 11 terminal, it will not properly close threads. And that's a really big problem when you're working with like, singletons, right? Like you can only have one instance of something running at a time. Anyways, yeah, I'm not convinced Windows 11 is an upgrade. I've been thinking about switching to Linux. Ugh, I don't want to though. Why is this mad at me now? Incomplete type logger is not found. I think this is just being stupid. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh, Raggy. Redefinition of default parameter. My bad. Oh, no. Like, is it so crazy? Is it crazy? I think. Okay. Is it crazy? Oh, it is crazy. It is. It is. It's not okay. I don't think that it's okay. Yeah, it's a little dirty. It's a little dirty. So we need uh so do we need a proper string for this? Logder. So no, cannot have an in-class initializer. Right. I forgot about this. Must be constant. Hell yeah, give me the fucking air. No. Right. Because it's static. The const is a red herring. It doesn't, I don't, yeah, like, yeah, I don't think we need, yeah, we don't need this to change. It's always going to be in the same location. Always. Always. Mm-hmm. Oh man. Macron's been in power since 2017. Oh man. Candace Owens sponsored this guy to write a book about it. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Apparently, there's way more in the book than she could include because it's on YouTube. Oh man. Oh, it's $35. Should I buy it? You know, what's the point in having that software engineering money if you can't read books about the president being married to his dad? Jesus Christ. This is the book in case we got any of you crazy conspiracy theorists out there listening. Becoming Brigitte by Xavier Poussard. Number one most gifted books. Oh man, there's going to be some awkward Easters. Oh man. What a world. God, what a beautiful, crazy ass world that we fucking live in. Um, Jesus fucking Christ. Um, fuck me, man. Okay. So here's the issue. This class must be pure static as far as I'm concerned. Right. Because I don't want to be doing this like logger, get logger, like bullshit. I don't want that. All I want to do is in every one of my, like right here, for example, right? I want to say, um, I don't know. Where's a good example of this? I just want to go like, logger warning. I just want to go like, do 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 do. Boop 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 bum 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 ba. Scoobity boop bop boop boop boop. Skibbity boop bop boo doo 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 doo. Scoobop boop bop boo ba doo ba doo ba doo ba doo ba doo boo ba ba boo. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure we can do this and it works. No? So if we come back to logger warning, why are these references? Should these be const? Yeah. Yes. 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 Ooh. So now we have this issue where we need this like global output. But the other issue is that we are going to need some like static void init log. We are going to need something like this, right? Because we are going to have to set this file here. We're going to have to create this variable. Which is a bit of an issue, right? Because we have to open a file. What is this? Scuba boop ba doo ba doo ba doo. What is this? What is this? So, so yeah, this like must be called on manager constructor, and this must be called on manager deconstructor. Oh man. Oh no, Candace used AI in order to see if old photos of Bridget McCrone were actually her. God, what so funny. Oh, so funny. So here we do, what is it again? It's output file dot open just creates it, right? And then we need the file name. But what is the file name? Do we just do uh do we just do like the day? Do we do the session? Yeah. We're going to open up plus, right? And then iOS and app or something like this. Oh, yeah, because this wants a non-static member reference must be a relative to a specific object. Mm. Hmm. Yeah. 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 This is such a fantastic interview or TV show. It's so fantastic watching Candace go through this. She's so fucking crazy, man. I love this girl. She's so crazy. It's fantastic. Does that really make sense? Does that make sense? Give me a sec here. Why doesn't this like it? No instance of overloaded function. Basic off stream. Open with element character traits. Matches the argument list. Type qualifiers that prevent this match. STD off stream. No? Hmm. Out file stream. Formatting state. Boop 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 boop. Boop boop boop. Boop 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 boop. Boop boop boop. Whoop boop boop. So yeah, we create our out file stream, yeah, and then we call open. No? No instance of overloaded function, element traits, open, element character, matches list, string and constant integer. Object type is constant offstream. We have file stream, right? Output file. I don't think that works. Yeah. Must, yeah. Hmm. He doesn't like it, hey? Phenomena. Boop boo doo doo doo. Phenomena. So, ah, yes, yes. What does this even mean? Equals 8. Yes. I guess that's. Why? Okay, we'll close. We'll open. We're going to come to the manager right now. And I don't have the file open. We can probably get rid of items for now and potions. The character and print. You know, it would be kind of nice if you could, assign panels to things. Like, wouldn't it be nice if you could like assign the right panel to headers and the left panel to CPPs? Because I have done it in this exact way. I have never not done this in Visual Studio. My left panel is always headers. My right panel is always CPP files. Obviously, maybe there's like some random exception. But yeah, I don't know. This should be the last thing to. It must be the first, right? Like even here, when we call init game, it does, right? Because if you're going to create a log, the log must be the first thing that you create. Fuck this. We can't even risk it to call the, oh my god, to call this inside of init. We're gonna call this in the constructor. Um, yeah, closed log is gonna be in the constructor. I think this is the only way to like really do it. Yeah, it's gotta be. Why is this complaining? It's uninitialized. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, like it must always be the first thing. Because what's going to happen is they're going to try to like log something. And it's going to be like, oh my God. And like, we just don't even want to, don't want to deal with that. It's just a pain in the ass. Um, yeah. I had the recording pause for a second. My bad. So what I was saying was I was just going through this and adding in the time stuff to get the timestamps. Full disclosure, I found this off of this Geek for Geeks thing. It gives you a timestamp like this. Um, we are going to use this for now. A very similar thing to this. This is sort of like how Python logging works. Um, yeah, it's I don't know. We're gonna do this for now, and then we're gonna see if it's good or bad once we actually get to using it. I think it's gonna be good. The time is kind of nice to have. Um, anyways, what I was just gonna say is check this crazy shit out. Apparently, Macron is in deep with the Rothschilds. Oh, it doesn't look like the desktop audio was working. Anyway, that was one of the Rothschilds saying, incest is best because you get to keep it in the family for all of your problems and all of your issues and all your crazy stuff. You have an extra layer of security because if your partner is your sister, you have that extra pressure. Crazy people. Why would you say that? Why would you say that when a video camera is pointed at your face? You fucking crazy people. God. I'm I'm too far down the rabbit hole, man. I'm too far gone. Size of. STD and like, and then we'll do location. We'll close it. We'll do this. And then what do we need to do? We need to do like output file, not output iterator. Oh my god. Oh, STD, my bad. Output file. So if this is open, we need to say logger output file, and then we need to put the log entry into it as a string, I think. And then we need to say, we need to, it's, what is it? Is it flush? Purge? It's flush. And this just sort of like force writes everything. Um, yeah. Yes. Yes. Hmm. I think this works. I think this is other than the fact that nothing calls our thing. Let's log some debugs. Let's log an info. And then what do we call? We call no. Yeah. We call format location. This must be constant. Constant string references. Oh no. Is unsafe. Is unsafe. Local time S? Fuck you. This function or variable is unsafe. I don't fucking care. To disable. Oh, to disable deprecation use. Yeah. My bad. I'll accept to not use it. Use local time S. Too few arguments. Oh, hold on. This one's inline error? Uh, all right. All right. That's fine. I'm okay with that. It's sort of annoying, I guess, but whatever. Okay. So, local time S. What do you want me to pass you? Isn't it really annoying that C++reference.com is the absolute best and like Microsoft's official documentation is not very good? Isn't it really annoying that Microsoft's worth trillions of dollars and they still can't make a fucking website? Stupid. So stupid. Throw the boomers in prison. This is just ridiculous. This one's a TM pointer. Time T equals time null, which is 0. It's the same thing. What do you want from me? Ask time? No, it doesn't like this. So it looks like everyone's saying I should use ask time. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah. This returns the pointer I need, I think. It does not. A value of character pointer cannot initialize an entity of time point of TM pointer. Returns a string. Uh oh. Oh man. Oh, this is a struck day. All right. So, timestamp. The constant characters you want to format it as. Ugh. Yeah, but this is gonna throw the error. Is this what it is? Let me find the where I did this before. I'm gonna do this a whole bunch. Disable warning pop. Like this can just eat shit. You know, like God, I just cannot begin to describe how much I do not care. Like, is this the not all control paths? Ah. Ah. Unresolved external symbol. Yeah, this might be an issue. Yeah, this might bitch. Symbol, the global function variable, a global or variable. Mm, yeah. Mm, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Can we just all admit, like how gay it is that so many Europeans like to kiss each other all the time? You know, they can kiss each other on the cheek. Can we just be real about like it's super gay? Like, you know, what? And like, look, you know, if you have a proclivity towards goblin knobs, you do you, man. I'm happy you found something that made you happy. God knows I'm happy when people, you know, the point is like kissing people hello and goodbye. I think it's kind of gay, you know. So this is way worse. Uh, Already defined. One or more symbols have been defined. So we need to clean. Rebuild the cleaned files. Get rid of our binaries. Yes. Fail for me, baby. Hell yeah. Already defined. And in manager. Mm. Maybe. Standard out file stream. Why is this not like me? Function. It's a deleted function. What does that even mean? Oh, this is gonna fail again. I don't even understand what this error is saying. Boop boo boo doo boop. Boop boo doo boo. Yeah, I'm making dumb mistakes here. Hmm. Hmm. It's always a dumb thing like this. Yeah, give me a sec. I need to pontificate. So, truth is, guys, I have pontificated. I've thought about this for a hot minute. I've decided that I'm just going to go to bed. I'm really tired. Um, yeah, I'm making stupid mistakes. I'm doing silly things. This is very close to being done. So, it's just this whole static class thing is always very awkward, you know? But I'll fiddle with this maybe tomorrow, and yeah, we'll get it done then. All right, love y'all. Bye.